Did it work?
Did your hiccups go away?
You know, I think my hiccups just might have not gone away.
Well, don't worry. I'm sure the movers will come up with another idea. Any minute. They always do.
Make that any second. Actually, make that now. I just came up with another great idea. Knit knots. This is a hiccup cure my Grammy taught me. The first thing you do is lie flat on your back. Oh. Then lift your leg up in the air.
Careful. That's attached to the rest of me, you know.
Next, someone tickles you under your chin.
Tickle, 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 tickle.
I'm not ticklish.
Now, for the most important part. Balance a spoon on your forehead.
This is ridiculous. Spoons are for sipping terrifically tasteless teas, not for balancing on foreheads.
Don't you want to get rid of your hiccups, Uncle Knit-Knots?
Yes.
I don't hear any hiccups. Still no hiccups.
Not one single hiccup.
This is strange. Grammy said this always works. Maybe it's a fork instead of a spoon.
Oh. For Pete's sake.
Don't worry, Knit-Knots. I already have another idea. I've heard that getting scared by something can get rid of your hiccups.
Great thinking, Dave. If only we had something scary or a scary place to go to, but not too scary.
You mean like, not too scary room?
We have a not too scary room. It's right down the hall.
Jeepers. It is kind of scary in here.
But not too scary.
I don't scare very easily.
Me either.
Rich.
Yes!
Sorry, Rich. I just wanted you to show Knit-Knots that scary thing we saw the other day.
Good idea. If anything's gonna scare the hiccups out of you, Knit-Knots, it's this!
Sorry. I'm not scared of spiders. Especially silly stuffed ones.
Let's see how much your hiccups like spooky stories, Knit-Knots. It was a dark and stormy